Hi guys, this is Sandeep here from ICA Solar. Hope you all well. I was just reading something yesterday came to my mind. Australia is the modern country by all means, and we want to keep that status because we all love it. But this is at the cost of huge damage to the planet. AU stands number 18 on highest per capita electricity usage in the world, and we are behind some of the countries like Iceland, Norway, USA, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE. Every Australian uses 26 kilowatt hour per person a day electricity, which is equivalent to burning 26 kilos of coal per day. And it's too bad guys, because multiply that by 25 million people in the nation and we are making a huge damage to our environment. Not surprisingly, health of the environment is deteriorating and we are seeing once in a 100-year events like massive bushfires and floods happening very frequently. One of the best solutions for this is adopting solar energy very fast. Already nearly 30% of the electricity is coming from the solar, but it has taken us nearly 20 years. It's not impossible, but it's difficult and tough to achieve 100% renewable, but everyone must do their part. Businesses has to do their part and the governments has to do their part. It's really satisfying to have collecting energy that's coming on your roof, run your home and cars on it. At the end guys, when the environment becomes unbearable and unlivable, nothing else is going to matter. Just we don't want to be too late to reach to the point of no return. Everyone need to think about making their home and businesses sustainable. For any questions about how ICA Solar can help to understand the solar and battery solutions, please give us a call. Don't forget, the environment is only one we got. Thanks guys.